launch ceremony, FIFA Football for Schools, by Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik, who has endeavored to make Odisha the sporting capital of India. Most respected Mr. Gianni Infantino, President FIFA, who has given his kind consent that such kind of a first initiative starts from India and Odisha. So we thank him profusely. Honorable MP from Switzerland, Dr. Nick Kuga, Monsieur Yugi Zarkaev, CEO, FIFA Foundation, we are immensely obliged to you for giving our children from Kit and Kiss this opportunity to be the future of football, not only in India, but in the world also. Dr. Professor Achyuta Samanta Babu, what can we tell him? Being the founder of this largest university in India, empowering tribal children, empowering sports, and so many other activities. He's a philanthropist. And I am overwhelmed that I am today here for the launch of this initiative. Mr. Kushal Das, General Secretary AFF, who has been always supportive of Odisha football. Our Secretary, Commissioner, Government of Odisha Youth Services, Mr. Vinil Krishnan, has always shown his positive attitude towards sport promotion, and he was instrumental in the success behind the World Cup hockey in Odisha. आशीर्वाद बेहरा आम ओडिया खेल जगतर भीष्म महापिता को केवल फुटबॉल नुह every other sports he supports from the stadium. Our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Sasmita Samant, there is not much that I have to say except be grateful to FIFA that our state has been recognized by FIFA today because of Naveen Patnaik's proactiveness towards the sports of all kinds of sports, not only hockey, football, rowing, and other such sports which Vinil will tell in his speech, that every game played in Olympics, tomorrow our Honorable Chief Minister is going to promote it, and we are proud that Odisha has sent Olympian like Duti Chand, a woman footballer like Shraddhanjali Samantrai. This initiative definitely makes every Odia proud, and today FIFA has reached this part of India which was called underdeveloped, but today I'm sure FIFA and my friend Yuri will recognize that Odisha is in the global map of sports world. Thanks to all of you, thanks to your trip, entire team, my friend Yuri Zarkaev, those who have come here, and we had the opportunity of seeing your football talents which won the World Cup for France in 1998. So all of us are very lucky to have him amongst us. Again, I welcome everybody from FAO, and it's a privilege for Football Association of Odisha to be associated so directly with FIFA. Thank you everybody. Namaskar.